Fed the dogs, now time to feed me. Loving my new coffee cup. Already got my milk boiling. Wow, hot. Nothing like a little mess. Clean it up and that's fine. I love how big this candle is. Oh, it just lifts up my mood having cute mugs. Now I'm gonna add some stevia. All right, coffee, 2 shots. Mimi, you had your turn, all done. Okay, me, you ate too much already. All right, now I'm gonna get my hot milk. I'm just gonna pour it. Nice. Okay. I think the handle is definitely a little bit too large, but it does make carrying it way easier. See? These sort of fancy, cute mugs, not very practical. It is a gray day. It's been really chilly these days. It's crazy because last week we got a taste of summer and now it's back to cold spring. I think I prefer, I don't know. But look how cute this little coffee cup is. There is, I think that's the strawberry cupcake. I don't know, coffee machine, I can't see it. Some sort of coffee bag, coffee. I can't spill, so. I really like the large handle. Anyways, I was saying it's a very gray day. Last week it was so hot and humid. So I'm actually very grateful that I'm still getting hot coffee. Can camera.